Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I just got a root canal done and it happened in the morning at 10 a.m. So 6 injections were injected inside my mouth and it was very painful, very painful. मतलब मुझसे बोला भी नहीं जा रहा था because मेरे cheeks में inject करे थे, अंदर gums में inject करा था. So I was in a lot of pain the whole day. So after that, after my root canal, abhi bhi I cannot speak properly. So after my root canal, I went to Emporio because Mama wanted something since a very long time, and she was not buying it for herself because she was like इतने पैसे क्यों खर्च करने हैं, इतना महंगा है, लेकिन मुझे पसंद भी है. So I was like अरे यार पसंद है तो ले लो. But she was like नहीं खर्च करना मुझे इतना पैसा, और ऐसे ऐसे वो बोल रही थी. So I just thought कि मैं उनको गिफ्ट कर देती हूँ. So I went to Emporio and I shopped a few things, like not a few things, one thing for her. And मैंने अपने लिए भी एक I just had soup. सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया था, अभी soup पिया है. So I'm just like इतने burps आ रहे हैं मुझे. But anyway, so I'm feeling so tired. So I shopped for her. Now I'm gonna do a little small haul for you guys. So I'm just gonna place you guys right here so that I can do this haul. Okay, yeah, this is the perfect position for the camera. And meet my Janu, meet my Snunu Beti. Oi, say hi, hi guys. Please subscribe to Mama's channel, subscribe to Mommy's channel. Okay, I'm feeling so weak today, but I just thought of shooting like a small luxury haul video for you guys. अब मुझसे बोला भी नहीं जा रहा, मतलब मैं बोल तो पा रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर मैं थोड़ा सा स्माइल करी ना तो मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Okay, anyway, let's begin. So I have a lot of bags from Louis Vuitton, Dior, one more Dior. So actually I've got 2 bags from Dior. And this is the second time that I'm shooting this same video because जो मैंने पहले shoot करी थी उसका सारा content मैंने slow mo में shoot कर लिया. So cheers. और एक है ये Tory Burch से मैंने चीज दी अपने लिए. So I'm gonna start with Louis Vuitton. So Louis Vuitton का बॉक्स ऐसा होता है जब तुम्हें मिलता है, but it's like wrapped up very nicely with ribbons and everything. This is the bill right here inside this, and ऐसे अच्छे से wrap up होता है, लेकिन मैंने खोल लिया because I have been using it since a very long time. So पहला तो ये चीज है from Louis Vuitton, as I showed you guys the box. So I haven't put it in its dust bag. So the dust bag looks like this. And when you open the dust bag, like पूरा bag होता है, लेकिन मैं डाला नहीं हुआ था अभी because I've been using this bag a lot. So this is my beautiful bag. It can be used like a top handle ऐसे, या फिर इसमें ये strings attach करके इसको as a sling we can use. So it's a beautiful bag. This is all like canvas. All this is canvas. ये सारा अंदर इसके cloth है like velvet, suede, yeah, suede, and that's about it. So this bag is beautiful. I love it, and I wanted this one since so long, but I wanted the pink version of this, but I got the red one, which is fine. So that's that. I'm gonna put this bag right inside. I'm not gonna tell you guys the prices because I don't want to brag or anything, so I don't want to tell the prices like that. Okay, so this one is done. Then the next step we have is the Dior bag. So from Dior I got the new slides because I really love Dior. So this is the box. It came nicely wrapped up. This is the bill from Dior. It came nicely wrapped up in like ribbons. So when we open this box, I'll just shift a little bit. So when we open this box, it opens like that. A lot of tissue paper, more tissue paper, more tissue paper, more tissue paper, and then we can see the slides. So I really love these slides. So these are the slides which I got from Dior, and from the day I've got them, I've been using these slides every single day. It has like Christian Dior written all over it. So since the day I got these slides, I've been using them. As you can see, in like 4-5 days ये ऐसे हो गए हैं. तो मैं तो बहुत, अभी I went on a trip to Jaipur and I took these along and I was just wearing them because I'm so much in love with these slides. They are just so beautiful. So these were like 2 things that I got. Then the next thing that I got for myself is from Tory Burch again. आज ये लेके आई हूँ मैं, आज मम्मा का गिफ्ट लाई हूँ और अपना टोरी बर्च का सामान लाई हूँ. सो टोरी बर्च से आई गॉट सम सैंडल्स. दिस इज द बिल. This is the box, you guys. So the box opens normally like a box, and then we have a lot of tissue paper, and then we have my beautiful slides. Like, guys, just look at these. Such beautiful slides. This is some gold detailing right here. Oh my god, I love these slides, and I'll be traveling really soon, so I wanted something like these to travel, so completely love them, and I'm super happy that I could get these in my size, because I've been checking with the manager for the past 6-7 months, but they did not have my size, and finally I got these in my size. Then the next thing that I got today is from Dior again. It's completely wrapped up. This is the bill, and I'm gonna keep the bill in my Tory Burch bag because I don't want mom to see it, otherwise she will scold me. इतने पैसे खर्च करके आ गई है मेरे shoes पे. So okay, I was thinking not to open it, but I'll just show it to you guys. तो दिखा देती हूँ मैं आपको. I cannot wait for mom's reaction. I'm gonna record mom's reaction. This is the box. Same old. This is a Dior card. This is some what's this called? Dust bags for your shoes. Then we open the box. A lot of tissue paper inside. More tissue paper, and here are the Dior slides. So I got the same Dior slides for mama. That's how they look like. This is the Dior slides, but I got the blue ones for her because blue ones are more wearable, and I think that mama would like blue better because she's like she really likes blue and black and all these tones. So I got the blue ones for her, and that's my little luxury haul. Not little, of course, it was a lot of stuff. So that's my luxury haul for you guys. I'm gonna keep it as it is so that mama opens it properly. Okay. Huh. So this was my this was my luxury haul for you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's really important for me because I'll grow if you will help me in my growth. So please subscribe and please like this video. Tell your friends to subscribe as well, and I'm going to record mama's reaction and show it to you in my next vlog.